I'm going to give some perspective on who you are. So you flew in from the Midwest, you're a successful entrepreneur, you can do whatever you want and you do whatever you want. If you live in a smaller town, right? And you perceive, but if you're going to do something significant, you figure out who the best is in the world or the country.
Researched.
And you fly out, and that's the way you roll, right?
Yes.
And so how did you find us?
It's funny, I love telling this story. I found Dr. Stoker on TikTok, of all things. I have researched for months and months after a considerable amount of weight loss. And so I'm scrolling through TikTok and he pops up, you do the hashtags, lower body lift and that. And I came across him. His photo gallery is absolutely amazing. You have to check it out. No filters, I feel like a lot of other doctors I looked at, you could kind of tell their photos were doctored up. I'll be the first to tell you, I was standing in there, I saw them go on the computer screen, and they are true to life.
Your pictures.
It's amazing. Yes.
I could put you right on there now,
Absolutely.
right? You'd be one of the best.
And I can vouch that there's no filtering, no editing.
I love the stories that go along with this, right? So you want to have fun, right? You've got yachts in Miami and in the Midwest where you live, but a lot of things where it would be nice to feel comfortable wearing a bikini.
Absolutely.
And you were not comfortable wearing a bikini before, right?
No,
I mean, it doesn't matter how big and nice that yacht is.
No.
If you're embarrassed about your appearance, that really doesn't feel very
Absolutely.
good. So what do you think is going to happen now?
Oh, I'm already shopping. I'm ready to do the cover of Vogue magazine, 50 plus women.
Well, I'm happy to have helped you to do that.
I'm 11 days, and I think a lot of people also, worry about the pain and that. And I will be the first to tell you as they, have patients that, hey, they want to call you and ask you about your experience. I'm not going to lie, your first few days are rough, but here I am. I'm 11 days, and it's incredible.
Now you asked me to do intraoperative video to show you, and we did. It was a big operation we did, and I don't often post that online because I think it's a little bit too much for most consumers to see. But you really wanted to see it, so
post it.
What was that like, seeing yourself on the inside?
Yeah,
gives you a little perspective.
Absolutely.
Why you might have a few areas of soreness afterwards.
Right. And it was funny because in the post-op, when he started marking me with the Sharpies, as anyone knows when you've had plastic surgery, I'm like, oh wow, what's the blue area? Well, that's what we're going to take out of you. But to actually see it, I wanted to see that. And even seeing that now, thinking, wow, I'm 11 days and here I am. It's incredible.
I love it when doing a great job transforms somebody's life, allows them to enjoy their own lives much more than they would have been able to. And whether it's showing up at your daughter's wedding looking great, whether it's wearing a bikini on your yacht and feeling great, whether it's being a newlywed for the second time and wanting to feel proud of yourself and confident, we did all of that this time.
We did.
So
we're there.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
You may wonder why the patient appears so pink in this video. The reason is that I performed fractional carbon dioxide laser resurfacing at the same time as her body surgery. The before and after pictures are unbelievable. I removed every wrinkle and sunspot on her face. I can't wait to see the final results.